Hello, my name is Clara Wheelock, and I am a student at the University of Georgia. I'm presenting my research on coastal water quality and coral health and the impacts of upland processes. There is growing evidence that connects land use and land cover changes along Belize's major watershed sources with declining health in nearshore reef systems. These nearshore reef systems include the Belize Barrier Reef and the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Land use and land cover changes have been identified throughout Belize and surrounding countries along rivers using remotely sensed data. This first image in the bottom left-hand corner displays encroaching spread of cultivation from Guatemala into Belize along the Belizean portion of the Mojo River watershed. Similarly, the image closer to the top displays erosion hotspots along the Rio Grande watershed in Belize. These new erosion hotspots developed largely on agricultural zones in the area. Survey data has been used to supplement this remotely sensed data. For instance, native households along the Rio Grande watershed were asked about what they thought were the leading contributors to erosion. The resulting list, as shown in the image below, identifies many causes. Many of them relate to unsustainable agricultural practices and land use practices. However, many of these unsustainable practices are related to new population growth in the area. As well, there's evidence in marine environments that connects anthropogenic impacts to changes in water quality. Studies have found elevated ratios of trace metals along coral reef waters, which indicate increased sediment loading that's associated with erosion and river discharge. As well, fluctuating levels of nitrogen and phosphorus provide evidence of a terrestrial-aquatic linkage, which is likely from deforestation due to agricultural and urban expansion. This has been my presentation on coastal water quality. Thank you for listening.